Welcome to Ajaxra Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss units and measurements. Objective type questions part 2. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one. Which of the following is not a unit? Radian, farad, conductance, ohm. So in these four options, which is not a unit? Radian, farad, conductance, ohm. So here conductance is not an unit. So radian is a unit and farad is a unit, ohm is also a unit. This conductance is not a unit. So this is the correct answer. Okay, next. Which of the following is unit of physical quantity? Simon, Kelvin, Henry, all the above. So here Simon, Kelvin, Henry, all the above. These are the unit of physical quantity. Which of the following is all the above? All these are the unit of physical quantity. Next, fundamental unit among the following is ampere, Newton, ohm, Weber. So in this fundamental unit is ampere. Okay. For current we are measuring in amperes. So unit of current is amperes. Next, the set of quantities which cannot be form a group of fundamental quantities in any system of measurements is length, mass and time, length, mass and velocity, mass, time and velocity, length, time and velocity. So the set of quantities which cannot form a group of fundamental quantities in any system of measurements is length, time and velocity. Okay. Next, the set of quantities which can form a group of fundamental quantities in any system of measurements is velocity, acceleration and force, energy, velocity and time, force, power and time, all the above. So here the set of quantities which can form a group of fundamental quantities are all the above. Next, the fundamental unit which is common in CGS and SI system is meter, gram, second, all the above. So fundamental unit which is common in CGS and SI system is second. This is the unit for time. Unit of time in both in CGS system and in SI system is second. Okay. Next, the fundamental quantity which is common in MKS and SI system is length, mass, time, all the above. Here the fundamental quantity which is common in MKS and SI system is all the above: length, mass, time. Next, joule, kilogram inverse, Kelvin inverse is the unit of Boltzmann constant, Planck's constant, specific gas constant, all the above. Here joule, kilogram inverse, Kelvin inverse is the unit of specific gas constant, that is R is equals to PV by MT. So specific gas constant. Okay. Next, the ratio of CGS unit to SI unit of energy is 10 to the power of 7, 10 to the power of minus 7, 10 cube, 10 to the power of 5. Here CGS unit of energy is erg, SI unit of energy is joule. So here the ratio of CGS unit to SI unit of energy is 10 to the power of minus 7. 1 joule is equals to 10 to the power of 7x. So The ratio is 10 to the power of minus 7. Okay. Next. The ratio of SI unit of CGS unit of physical constant is SI unit and CGS unit of physical constant is 10 to the power of 7. That constant is universal gas constant, Planck's constant, Stefan's constant, both 1 and 2. Here the ratio of CGS unit and SI unit and CGS unit of physical constant is 10 to the power of 7. So that is both 1 and 2, universal gas constant and Planck's constant. Here work and energy have the same units in any given system of measurements. Work and power have the same ratio of SI unit to CGS unit. Statement A is true and B is false. Statement A is false and B is true. Both A and B are true. Both A and B are false. Here in the first statement, work and energy have the same units in any given system of measurements. Work and power have the same ratio of SI unit to CGS unit. Here both A and B are true. Both are the correct statements. Next, unit of intensity of magnetic induction field is Tesla, Weber per meter square, Newton, Ampere meter inverse, all the above. Here the unit of intensity of magnetic induction field is all the above. Okay. Next, SI unit of electric intensity is Henry meter inverse, Newton meter inverse, volt meter inverse, Newton Coulomb. Here SI unit of electric intensity is E is equals to V by D. So that is V nothing but potential difference by distance. So volt per meter, that is volt meter inverse. This is the SI unit of electric intensity. Next, which of the following is expressed correctly? Magnetic permeability, permittivity, relative permittivity, intensity of magnetizing field. Here in this, which expressed correctly? Intensity of magnetization field, ampere meter inverse. Next, which of the following is not expressed correctly with respect to units? Specific heat, entropy, thermal capacity, temperature gradient. Which is in this 4, which is not expressed correctly? Thermal capacity is not expressed correctly. Okay. Next. SI unit of Stefan's constant is watt meter to the power of minus 2 Kelvin to the power of minus 4, joule meter to the power of minus 2 Kelvin to the power of minus 4, watt meter to the power of minus 1 Kelvin to the power of minus 1, watt meter to the power of minus 2 Kelvin to the power of minus 2. So SI unit of Stefan's constant is watt meter square Kelvin, watt per meter square Kelvin to the power of 4, or watt meter to the power of minus 2 Kelvin to the power of minus 4. Next, SI unit of thermal resistance is watt per Kelvin and watt inverse Kelvin, watt inverse Kelvin inverse, and watt meter to the power of minus 1 and Kelvin to the power of minus 1. SI unit of thermal resistance is watt inverse Kelvin. Okay. Next, which of the following has no units? Magnetic susceptibility, intensity of magnetization, electric capacity, electric power. So in this 4, magnetic susceptibility has no units because it is ratio. Magnetic susceptibility has no units. Next, SI unit of focal power is meter, diopter, watt, joule. SI unit of focal power is diopter. The unit of power is diopter. Okay. Next, The dimensional formula m to the power of minus 1 L3 t power minus 2 refers to force, power, universal gravitational constant and energy. The dimensional formula m to the power of minus 1 L cube t to the power of minus 2 refers to universal gravitational constant. Okay. Among the following physical constant, which one has the dimensional formula universal gas constant, refractive index, pi, strain? Among the following physical quantities, which one has the dimensional formula? That is, universal gas constant has the dimensional formula. Refractive index, pi, strain, for these are not having the dimensional formulas. Okay, so among these four, universal gas constant has dimensional formula. So the answer is universal gas constant. Next, m to the power of minus 1 L t square is the dimension formula of force, power, gravitational constant, compressibility. M to the power of minus 1 L t square is the dimension formula of compressibility. Compressibility is equals to 1 by bulk modulus. So bulk modulus is equals to m1 L to the power of minus 1 t power minus 2. So here compressibility dimension formula is m to the power of minus 1 L t square. So the answer is fourth option is correct. Next, dimensional formula of coefficient of viscosity is ml to the power of minus 1 t, ml to the power of minus 1, t to the power of minus 1, ml t power minus 1, m to the power of minus 1, l to the power of minus 1 t. So, the dimensional formula of coefficient of viscosity is coefficient of viscosity eta is equals to f by a of dv by dx. So, its dimension formula is m L to the power of minus 1 t to the power of minus 1. Okay. Dimensional formula of intensity of magnetization is IL, IL to the power of minus 2, IL to the power of minus 1, I to the power of minus 1, L. Dimensional formula of intensity of magnetization, that is I is equals to m by V. So, m is a magnetic moment, that is A m square. V is a volume, that is m cube. So, its dimension formula is I L to the power of minus 1. M L to the power of minus 1 T to the power of minus 2 is the dimension formula of modulus of elasticity, stress, pressure, all the above. So, this m L to the power of minus 1 T power minus 2 is the dimensional formula of modulus of elasticity, stress, pressure, all the above. For all the three, this is the dimensional formula, that is m L to the power minus 1 T power minus 2. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.